This video will guide you through how to blend photos in Canva. Start by opening your Canva design. Upload two images you want to blend or select them from the Elements tab. In this case, I've already uploaded two photos. Now, place the first image onto your canvas, filling the entire background. This will serve as the base image. Next, go to the Elements tab, search for Gradient, and select a gradient that suits your design, whether it's white or black. Place the gradient over the image where you want to add depth. You can also use multiple gradients to enhance the effect, like this one. Now, add a new page to your design, and repeat the process with the second image you've uploaded. While doing everything the same way, take note that you can copy-paste the gradient from the first page and paste it in the second page, but you have to rotate or place it on the opposite side to create balance. Once you've completed both designs, download the image separately. After downloading, upload them back in Canva. Place both images on a single page. Adjust the transparency of the image in the front to 50%, allowing it to blend smoothly with the second image underneath. Now, download the blended image and upload it back in Canva for final adjustments, like this. Once you've uploaded it, click it and select the image. Click Edit and fine-tune the settings. Increase the contrast, decrease the brightness, boost the saturation and clarity to enhance the colors and make the blend more vibrant. And that's how you blend photos seamlessly in Canva. With these steps, you can create stunning, professional-looking designs.